This, ladies and gentlemen, officially is the biggest boat that we've had in the shop yet. This is gonna be fun. It's go time. Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. This is on paper 28-foot Sun Cruiser with the upper deck. I think the deck is somewhere around 26.5 feet by 8 feet wide. This is getting new vinyl flooring, new railings, freshening up the vinyl and flooring on the upper deck. And then it's getting furniture, premium furniture from pontoonstuff.com. It's getting a new helm, new electrical, and then quite the stereo system. We're doing subwoofer, amp, wakeboard tower speakers. This is gonna be a really, really fun project. We gotta start by tearing things down first, but stick around. You're gonna wanna see what happens with this boat as we get going. Today begins the official tear down. We're gonna take this baby apart, get it torn down to the studs so that we can pressure check the pontoons, and then start strategizing how we're gonna piece it back together. And there she is, all taken down. Motor's still got to come off. This is getting a brand new 60 horse command thrust, high thrust Merc.